Hi folks, I'm Franco Tenelli, and in this video I want to demonstrate how recording is fooling you in modern times, that you cannot trust a modern recording. What I mean you cannot trust the modern recording is that what you hear on your DVDs or CDs and what you're gonna hear in a real performance, unless it's not mic'd, is going to be two different stories. Unless recording was done around the 60s, last century, 60s, 70s, they tried before to give you the most authentic recording possible. Of course, again, it will never sound the way it sounds live, but they were doing these recordings with relatively distant mics. Not too distant, I explain why. Some of you may think, oh, the best thing would be to put the mics at the very, very end of the hole. That would be the most authentic sound. But let me enlighten you. Mic has its own tricks. The mic, which is placed at the very end of the auditorium, is not correct either. In fact, it reduces the balance of a certain instruments. So you might hear from this very far recording, the balance is disrupted not in favor for voices. And in real life you might hear them better. So if the microphone is very, very far away, it either doesn't give you a true recording, it's more of too much reverberation and stuff like this. Now, and closed mics don't give you the correct, even approximate sensation of the real sound. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate you the same phrase from Celeste Aida, and the phrase will be taken from the generic microphone, input microphone from Sony camera. First is around 12 meters away, the second is around 10 meters away, and the other one is around 4 meters away. Then I'm going to take a mic and sing the same phrase in the mic, and you hear clearly the difference between still acoustic recording, because when the mic is away from you at least 3-4 meters, you can consider it acoustic recording, though it might not be that accurate, but still it's an acoustic recording. But when the mic is approximately like this or somewhere in a week, it's not acoustic recording anymore, though of course it's an analog, but the sound can be easily manipulated into absolutely anything. The last but not least, I'm going to give you the recording from the camera also, that was at the very end of the opera house, approximately maybe 40 meters, and the rehearsal of Aida. So the same phrase as you heard from those samples that I gave you. So you can judge how the mic is lying to you by listening to these recordings. So let's go to the first recording, which is at 12 meters away, recorded in my studio from the Sony, and followed by different distances and different ways of recording.
Se quel guerrier fossi, se il mio sogno s'avverasse.